Hey, what's good guys, it's Zach. Hope you all are doing well. As most of you should know, I've been slowly but surely getting into smart home tech. Devices that can not only make life a little easier, but turn something as basic as locking your door into something cool. And that's where the August Smartlock Pro comes into play. And shout out to August for sending me one as well as sponsoring this video. So basically what the smart lock allows you to do is lock and unlock your door using your phone. But not only that, you can also use it with your Apple Watch as well as smart assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. In terms of unboxing and setup, everything here is super simple. In the box, you're going to get pretty much everything you need as far as attachments go and whatnot. You'll also get the August Connect, which will allow you to control your lock from pretty much anywhere. And all you'll need on your end is a Phillips head screwdriver and you're good to go. This will work with the widest range of standard deadbolts, so you won't really have to worry about compatibility. Installation instructions can be found in the August Home app, which you will need of course. And like I said before, installation is very easy and it won't take you long at all. In fact, it can take about 10 minutes or even less. Just make sure you follow the instructions very carefully and you'll be good. Now, as far as features go, this lock is no slouch. Besides being able to unlock your door with your phone manually, you can set the device to auto lock and auto unlock depending on your phone's current location. So when you leave, the device will lock your door, and when you return, it will unlock all on its own. Along with that, you can grant access to other household members so that they can lock and unlock with their phones and devices as well. And in the August Home app, you can view all of the activity from the lock and you can see who's using the lock and when exactly they've been using it. This is also where you can schedule access with a specific time frame of your choosing for people you trust. And on top of all of this, you get that full peace of mind with August's integrated door sense sensor, which lets you know if your door is securely closed and locked 100%. Now, in my personal experience, the August Smart Lock has been fantastic. Everything seems to work as advertised, and I would absolutely recommend this to those looking to step up their smart home game.
Hey Siri, unlock entrance 2.
I'm on it.
Lock entrance 2.
The setup was seamless. It's neat being able to give my cousins access to the lock as they do visit on a regular basis. And it's awesome being able to just open my door without having to hunt for keys because, well, my phone is now my key. Having said that, I kind of know what you're thinking. And in fact, my mom actually asked me this question while I was installing the lock. What if you don't have your phone? Well, August thought of that and they offer an optional keypad you can use with a customizable code to unlock the door. As far as I'm concerned, the August Smart Lock will be a staple in my tech collection, especially when I get my own place. So down below in the comments, I want you guys to let me know your thoughts on this really sweet piece of tech, and we'll talk about it. Also, if you're interested in grabbing this bundle that I have here, I went ahead and I left a link to where you can check it out down below in the video description. But anyway, that does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I will talk to you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.